Hey guys, Sujata here from Yuri's Handy Mom, and today's video is about the restoration of my old rusty drill press. I bought this drill press at a garage sale, although a little rusty and beat up, but was working just fine. First step in the restoration was to get rid of all the rust. You can learn more about the rust removal technique in my other video, link is in the description down below. Then I spray painted the top of the body with special paint meant for this specific purpose. Link for this is also in the description down below. That's it. You can see how a little bit of TLC was able to revive this old beat up machine. If you have any questions about this project, leave me in the comments down below and I will definitely get back to you. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, you might like to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next with another useful or fun project.